Unleash true Aussie performance with this 2016 Holden Commodore SSV Redline. Under the bonnet roars a legendary 6.2-litre LS3 V8 engine, delivering 304 kilowatts of pure power through a smooth 6-speed sports automatic, built to thrill every time you hit the road. The SSV Redline combines raw performance with refinement, Brembo brakes, FE3 sports suspension, and a perfectly balanced chassis for precision handling and control. Inside, enjoy premium comfort with leather trim sports seats, head-up display, Bose audio, and advanced infotainment with Bluetooth and navigation. With iconic styling, unmistakable V8 sound, and true Holden heritage, this Redline isn't just a car, it's a piece of Australian performance history. Own the legend today.